Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to talk about what? What? OpenClaw. Okay, so imagine you woke up in the morning and before you even touch your phone, you emails your emails are already replied. Your meeting are scheduled. Your grocery are ordered. You didn't do anything and AI did it for you. Sound amazing, right? So, what if I tell you this same AI can also send a message without you knowing, access your personal data, and make decision on your behalf? Today, I am going to show you something crazy that is called a open claw. And trust me, this is not just another AI tool. This feels like the future. Okay, and it is also is little scary. Okay, so what is OpenClaw? Well, we all know AI tool like chatgpt. You ask something, it's give an answer. Okay, that's it. But OpenClaw is different. It it doesn't just answer, it take action. You can message it on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord and say things like send email to my boss, check my calendar, book a flight, organize my files. Okay, and it actually do it. Not suggest, not guide. It will do it. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleep, never complain, and work 24 into 7. So, how many small tasks do you do every day? Replying messages, checking emails, setting reminders, searching things online. Now imagine all of this gone, handed by AI. You are free. You are free, more time, less stress. For some people, this feel like freedom. But for other, this feel like losing control. So people are already using this. It feel like Jarvis from Iron Man. This AI is running my business. I can I can what? I can control your computer, access your files, use your browser, connect with app like Gmail, Spotify, GitHub. And the craziest part is what? It can even create its own tool called skills. Basically, it can teach itself new things. Okay, that's where things start getting interested. Okay, so let's talk about the scary part of this. I mean, danger part of this. So these skills are like mini app. They have access to your system. They can access your data, your accounts. Now imagine, what if a skill is malicious? It can steal your data, send message from your account, run harmful commands, download dangerous file. And the worst part of this, you might not even know it's happening. This is where AI become powerful and dangerous at the same time. To solve this problem, they use security. OpenClaw partner with the VirusTotal. Now every skill is checked before you use it. Okay, here how it work in a simple words. Skill is uploaded, it get scanned, AI analyze what it actually does. If it is safe, then approve. If it is risky, then it will give you warning. If it is dangerous, it will block. Okay, so even better, they can scan it every single day. So if something become harmful later, they can catch it. Okay, but here the truth. Even this is not perfect because AI is not just a code anymore. It understands the language, and language can be manipulated. Someone can tricky. Someone can trick AI using words. This is called a prompt injection, meaning the AI can be convinced to do something wrong just by how instructions are written. So no system is 100% safe. Not today, and maybe not even tomorrow. So we are entering world where AI doesn't just help us, it work for us, it decide for us. Maybe one day it will think for us. The question is not is AI powerful? The question is, are we ready for this power? Okay, guys. So, like, if you feel or if you find this is interesting or little scary, comment AI below and tell me, would you trust an AI like this? Subscribe for more real tech story because this is just the beginning. Okay, bye bye. Take care.